Hello there, this is Alok, and today I'm going to talk about low code and AI in smart manufacturing. As we know that in manufacturing, there are four or five system and processes exist. These are supply chains, inventory, quality, and maintenance. So we will see here how low code applications actually in happening in the operations. So operation efficiency actually increase if you're going to adopt low code for the manufacturing industry. For example, if you have anything to be test and deploy in manufacturing industry based on the needs and demand, you must have some rapid tool or low code tool by which you can leverage this benefit or leverage this requirement and convert to the entire system in place by which your manufacturing should be utilize these new changes or innovations. Along with that, if you notice that all the low code platform, they offer actually inbuilt workflow automations that is very easy to configure and develop. Along with that, it also enhances operational visibility in terms of there are already predefined templates for monitoring, controlling, and the workflow that makes entire low code platform or environment easy to use for any non-experienced or non-programmer also. It increases the agility and productivity because of easy deployment and changes can easily merge due to the hot fixes and other things available in the most of the low code platform. So in this way, we saw that how it actually offer the operations efficiency in the low code environment. Next thing I'm going to talk about how AI actually utilized for quality management. As I mentioned, quality is very crucial and important process in a system for any manufacturing industry. How we'll get the benefit from the quality department or the system is using the AI. So AI basically define, detect, and real-time defects. Along with that, it also helps to predict the maintenance, predict the maintenance analysis. It predict the analysis based on your maintenance or predictive maintenance thing. It also help you to reduce the your waste reductions as well as downtime. And as you see, that is how it is continuously will improve your quality processes like Six Sigma or anything you wanted to leverage. So based on your historical data, you can leverage your AI in your manufacturing quality processes to enhance your processes. Now I'm going to talk about how AI will utilize for supply chain for the manufacturing supply chain in manufacturing industry. As we know, supply chain is very important component or the process in the any manufacturing industry. It actually help you that AI will help you for supply chain that that about the demand forecasting as well as inventory optimizations. Also will tell you that is how the risky deal with the any supplier. Along with that, it also help you to logistic and procurement automations. So these are the things that is we can leverage and utilize for using the AI in the supply chain, which will be one of the important component for your manufacturing unit. Now you saw that these are the benefits actually will get the manufacturing industry using the AI and the low code platform for your manufacturing processes. It actually allow us to enhance agility and responsiveness. Along with that, it increase the productivity and also help digital leaders to transform their processes and increase their revenue stream. Adding value to the customer through the product is also important aspect for your digital transformation process. So now you notice and all I try to visualize how low code and AI will provide the benefit of to the manufacturing industry. I hope you must like this. Thank you.